right, good morning, everybody. Travis, let me know if the sound is on, and let's go, guys. Let's review some of the.
Yep, everything. Sorry, Mark. Everything does sound good and look good.
Okay, cool. Let's go. Let's look at some charts. So look, you look at the NQ. So we're going to look at NQ numbers this morning. We're coming back right at the low, Travis, of yesterday, which is about this 535. Yeah. So as long as we are above yesterday's low, 535, then guess what? We are constructing an inside candle, meaning like we could go maybe between these lows and this low and end up in that range. This is the million-dollar question this morning, okay? If we stay above this low, and I don't see very well. Maybe I need my glasses, guys. Hold on one sec. Yeah. What do you see the previous day low candle? I see that.
Yeah, it is right around 535, but
34. Yeah. So if we stay above that 533, the 535, guys, then we're on an inside candle day. That means, are we doing something like this? You know, inside those low here, which is the 875, let's say 880 to the 538. That's one range. Now there's another range we can look at, and this is this range, right? That's another range here. Let's see, this is simple candle work of, okay, just let's be aware of those area like this and like that, right? And that works perfectly. And so those are big area I want to look at. The 292, the 600, and this 858. Now we go to the power indicator on the small zone, and we are going to do our order block before we do any other market. If we have the time, we'll look at the SPY as well and the QQQ, okay? So I don't know what's the white at the bottom, but I'm going to remove all the drawing. It's like a Picasso, and I'm starting fresh with the indicators. So obviously the first order block is being rejected this morning, Travis, 595 division. We have the high below from yesterday, 666. So this is going to create a first block. The second block I want to do is the block I said around the 800, 854. So it's going to be this block right there. So this block will be 755, 900. Now on the support side this morning, obviously I'm looking at the 6 p.m. retest 541. And I'm looking, hey, by the way, the 541, Travis, is very close to the yesterday's low.
yeah, right? The 6 p.m. and the settlement, all that is all in that area.
That would be an interesting area too. Now the worst that could happen now is we'll drop between this 400 and this 600 as well. Because look, chop suey here, chop suey here, chop suey here, chop suey here, chop suey here. I would not want to go back in chop suey land, which is, Travis, the daily high low here right there. Now, another thing, another piece of information I just want, besides the power indicators, is I'd like to see what the range have been overnight on Asia and London.
Yeah, and I was going to mention that. So we do still have this other gap fill. We did complete the gap fill yesterday. The bottom of that was around the 570. So this other gap fill, the top of it is 425, 430, and then the bottom is 290. And it did get down there in the overnight session. You can see that 290 area was the support and the low of the overnight session. That's the bottom of the gap fill. That starts at 430.
Yeah, London high is 553. Asia high is 518. So this 518 to this 534 is going to be important. So I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to start at the 7 a.m. here to the 534 block. And I think they are retesting this block first this morning. They are retesting this block here. I don't like this block, 7 a.m., 6 p.m. This block right there, I don't like. Do you see all the price action here?
Yeah, that's a chop zone inside there.
Yeah, this is not a block that I like to commit funded accounts. Okay, so we are done for NASDAQ. Let's look at SPY because SPY is super weak, guys. So let's go. There was all the. So the power indicator was the top at 689. There was a gap. So this one is totally different because the previous day low is at 680, Travis. See? It's totally way below that. It's 675 right now. I would be careful that this thing plays ping pong. 673.5, 680. But the SPY doesn't look too hot here. Unless the government reopens today, it starts not looking too hot, that SPY there. The SPY is a lot weaker, guys, than NASDAQ. You have the power trend box on the downside on the long-term frame. Net seller, net seller, net seller. If SPY breaks this 670 area, we start being screwed here. Watch here my box for the day on SPY. 678 on the top side. You have a division here at 676, so 676, 678 is a problem on SPY. If we break that 670-50, we go 670. So I'm watching this lower block support on SPY. 670 area is possible with a big rejection of 677.5, 679 on SPY. 679.5 to 677.5 is going to be a huge problem on SPY. And right now you're on no man's land. You're in a between of the two bucks on SPY. That's a problem. If we get back into that range in NASDAQ, it's a problem too, Travis. I'm not committing funds in funded accounts, maybe on a few evals, but I don't have a lot of evals. That's the problem. Besides one or two take profit, most of them are funded. That's the problem. I have a mixed bag this morning, guys. Oh shit, I have position going on. Look at this, guys. I'm like, shit, I have position going on. What is this? What the heck? I have position going on somewhere. Oh, I'm short 4 micros. Okay. That was our support here, right, Travis?
We're right now at yesterday's low.
Yeah. I'm going to cover 3. And I'm going to tied up 1 because that was the support area I was looking for, right, Trav? In case they go, I'm putting my stop loss in the dome. Okay, guys, I like that. I'm getting back green on some of those shitty morning accounts. And by the way, I didn't want to trade all those accounts because I told you this morning I don't feel it trading my funded accounts. Hold on. It just reached the block support. That's a perfect example right there for everybody, by the way. I'm going to get out, Travis. I want to reassess at the open. If they hold the 518,
Order filled.
I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm
Order
out.
filled.
I'm out. I'm out. Do I have any other position, man? I have so many accounts. Oh shit, I have position also on Top Step. Fucking A. Hold on. That's the problem when you have so many accounts, guys. Look here. Can you guys see my Top Step?
Yeah, we see it.
I have 9 accounts being copied here. So hold on. Shit. Now I have Top Step I need to get out of. Probably should get out now. See, that's the problem right now with the Top Step thing, Travis. How do I get out of one only? Get this thing off, and that's
Yeah, that's the thing. You with the brackets, you can't do it that way. You have to use the brackets to get out.
yeah. But look, like I want just to cover
Order
one.
filled.
I understand.
Yeah, just cover one. Oh yeah, but see,
Order filled.
I
You really have to get out of the whole position and then get in the.
yeah. Okay, but anyway, I got a little bit of money on 9 accounts.
So we're open. 542. They're open.
Oh, we just open. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's be patient. I mean, I think it could have been a buy there on the order block support, but I want to see what the volume indicator does. Volume indicators has no support, Travis. There's no resistance. I mean, it could fly all day now. Do you see the net buyers there? I like to see the VIX continuing going down towards that 1850.
Yeah, this 575 was the bottom of that previous gap that I was talking about. So I took a short off of there.
I exited the short right on time, guys. I think we still need to look at the 518, maybe the division of the power indicator, 484, all this area, 460, 518 might come as a support now. But so far, the block is holding perfect.
Okay, back down towards that block, so I'm taking profit. I just have one runner now.
Okay. Oh, you went back short?
Yeah, I took a short off of that 575, which is the that gap fill from yesterday.
Yeah, no, I'm done for now. I want to observe. I want to observe the market now. I'm sorry. Let me put the things like this so you'll see better the. I completely forgot I had those accounts, Travis.
Yeah, I mean that happens when you have a lot of accounts going. You sometimes forget what you're doing in some.
No, baby, you start the stream and you're like, you get in the stream. You start the stream and you forget you have those open positions. Well, I was short. The short worked out well from one order block power indicator to the other blocks and the probability tools. I'm going to tied up here the tools so that we see the NASDAQ more than anything else with SPY. And that's it. We don't, I mean, I just want to see the tail of Russell. If we go back into that 450, 535, I am not touching this. This range right there, guys, this right there, I don't trade that. You can trade that without me. I will not trade that shitty range. Okay? There is no reason to deploy capital. And even this one, 534 to 592 is not great. So the best is above 600 to the 750. Okay. I kind of like that 518 retest, like that long is kind of the long I was looking for, that 520. I don't know. I'm going to wait because you still have net seller, net seller, net seller, net seller right there. You are fighting the daily, the previous day low, and you are fighting the Asia ranges right now. I'm giving it another 10 minutes because maybe they'll print the open range low, Travis, towards the 500. Make sense?
Yeah, that makes perfect sense.
So probably best course of action is being patient. Also, I think there's ISM at 10.
Yeah, there's a PMI 945, ISM at 10. I did add in the retest of the open there, just to profit on that. So I still, now I'm back to my one runner short. Although we're coming right to this 500, I might take it here.
I'm not doing
Tightening up my stop if nothing else.
I'm not doing anything. I'll be right back. I'm going to do a refill of coffee and water. This was kind of the area I was looking. If a long is coming, it's 518, but now it's breaking it. Does that make sense? It's like destroying the 518 right now. So it's back into the order block that I don't like. Look,
I just switched to micros. I was in full NQ. Now I closed out my NQ. I switched to 5 micros short. See if we get the continuation off of this.
Be very careful. About 5:30, your trade is over. Okay, yeah, I'll be right back.
My stop is just above the open.
Sorry guys for the glasses, but apparently this morning I cannot read well enough. It's age. I'll be right back. Okay, so do we buy this or what? That is the $1,000,000 question.
Order filled.
Why it's not showing up on your screen? I am long and it's not showing on your screen. I took a long and it's not showing.
Order filled. Order filled.
And I'm long, late on this one. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we hear you, Mark.
Okay, I'm long, guys. Because this 518, 510 is where I put my stop loss. 505.
Order submitted.
Why it's not showing here? I'll tell you why. Because I did my entire analysis. Shit, I did my entire analysis on NQ instead of MNQ. So the MNQ is right there. And here is the order. Can you guys see the order now? Yeah.
Yeah,
I need to put, it's already 30 points on the order. Oh, well, I had all the blocks done for you on the other charts, but it's super easy. You use the tools. Look, this is the block right there. Boom. This is one block right there. This is one block right there on the division of the tools. And that's it. Everything else is divisions or time frames. I need to put a stop loss. For some reason, I don't have a stop. I'm up 45 points on this trade already.
I did get stopped out of those micros.
Boom. Okay, 50 points. Allez, let's start scaling then. It's time to scale.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
It's time to scale.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order filled.
I should scale this one as well with you guys. Boom.
Order filled. Order filled.
Now we are long 3. Should have a stop loss. This is the wrong stop loss, by the way. Here, here, and here. Boom. 3. I think 530 now becomes an interesting area. 530, Travis. I want to see if we're on our way to 700 now. This is the moment of truth for the market. Either we are going to tank bad based on the SPY, because SPY is really bad, guys. I do not like the SPY here. SPY is bad. So today, if we don't save the 700, the 850 on NASDAQ, we have a huge problem. Huge FN problem. Huge problem. Lower highs are still in place, guys. We need to break those lower highs. See, you use the trading view tools like this, boom, and you want those lower high to break up. Because we rejected the power indicator division so far, very, very, very clearly. So that could be our problem. My problem here is SPY. SPY is really, really bad, guys. Yeah. While breaking that 233, I did not want this thing to go back below 233, 220. If you look at a 1 minute chart, Travis, it looks like we're forming some head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulders, possible. You see that shoulder right there at 500? It's possible. I mean, it's not a great shoulder because we still have net sellers here, net seller here, net seller here, net seller here, to tell you the truth. We are below 800. ES and SPY are not strong here. The only market that can save the day this morning is NASDAQ, because ES and SPY are weak, guys.
Stop filled.
Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
God, I stopped myself.
Order filled.
So Chef, I had a good profit on it. They might go and do an inverse head and shoulder here. I'm not sure. Where's my top step account? I told you today is more a day I want to do evals instead of destroying evaluation accounts. Top step here. Yeah, we have a 9 account on top step that we need to finish here. So let's see what I have on top step, because top step is the only prop firms at this point that I do not have funded account, and that's the most important now for me. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts, 153, 154, 155, 156. So I need to nurture those to pass. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around the 149, 150 So let's see where we go with that. I'm $3,000 and passing those, so let's not screw that up. So long we hold the 518, 510, I'm looking for longs. Below 510s, they are going towards the short. So we have a very difficult triangle there. Just take small sizes, some micros. Look at the 31 point a minute ATR tells you just do micros. Does that make sense? People on the stream, give me a quick yes, no. 35 points, 32 points a minute. You have no choice but doing micros here, guys. Are we clear? I hope so, because I'm super clear on that.
Okay, got that PMI number out. Again, we have ISM in 15 minutes at 10.
What we want to see is if those lower highs are going to persist or break that trend line after the ISM. I suspect we might do something like this. Banter, 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 break, retest, go. Is everybody clear on the stream? Give me a quick yes, no. I'm trying to give you to help you here, guys. I think we are going to hold the order, but the bottom order block here. This 461 area to the 518 support. Does that make sense? On NASDAQ, I cannot vouch for the rest, guys, because SPY and ES are very, very weak. So I'm going to keep an eye to make sure that Russell is going to support here. The right chart is going to support my thesis. But I just gave you the path that I think we're taking. And so far, it looks like it's doing the path. With the power indicator, that's what I see right now. Banter, banter, 460, 518 support. Buy, break, retest, go to the 700 plus.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah. Supporting my
Order
thesis.
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Look at this, it's flying. Supporting my thesis.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Where is my top step? I'm adding $230 on all my top step on that premise. Right there, boom, another $250 on 9 accounts. So that'll be the $400 per account. And then look, before the report, we're going to do this. Boom.
Order filled.
Boom.
Order filled.
I have only one micro left. And that'll be my runner. I need a stop though, above my entry. Stop sell 68.1. Boom, here. Because Travis just mentioned the ISM, I forgot. Maybe I should flat.
Order filled.
Just flat 600 for $465 across 9 accounts on top step today. Win ratio 68, 60, 57%. I'll take that. I progress my top step accounts. And I'm going to get it out of those longs here as well. Now,
this 5-minute bar.
I got it perfect, man. Just before it happened, I gave it to you. I just only took longs and I just got it perfect. So look now, perfect here. We're going to do the same here and boom.
Order filled. Order filled.
And we're going
Order filled.
to
Order
close,
filled.
and we're going to close all of those and let it retrace before the report.
Order filled.
And so, how many? Yeah, the couple of pro accounts. I'm starting to like the longs better and better on retracement to the 750, guys. I'm telling you. So far, I made money on longs, not on shorts. Like this 2 micros trade on top steps were only micro. And by the way, I only took micros. You see, 3-4 micros. That's all you need, 3-4 micro. If you look at my trades here, orders, look, MNQ, 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 and I'm still pulling 500. MNQ, MNQ, MNQ. This would have been an NQ, it would be $5,000. See what I mean? So, progressing. Is there any other account? Yeah, there's one more. Yeah, right. In 15 minutes, we will have the report coming, and I think we're going slowly but surely towards the 750, guys. Let's observe. Good start of the morning, guys. Great trade. I like just the most exciting for me is the puzzle. You know. I'll be right back.
Nice job, Kathy. Good job.
Be careful, we are looking for this division power indicator 606 retracement and buy 606 580, Travis. Yeah. This block now, this division of the indicator left and right to there becomes the next block retracement.
Yeah, the opening range high 576. That's going to be key support.
On our way to 750 and that major zone 664.
filled,
This stupid thing, Travis, on Top Step is like the numbers of trade is stupid. I lock myself out of some accounts with the numbers of trades for the day.
Quit using it if you don't like it.
Yeah, freaking hate, man. Hold on. I need to go through all my accounts. It stopped. It locked me for the day at 576, guys, on 9 accounts.
Did you have that set on all the accounts or just the lead account?
That's what I need. I need to go back.
You might be able to decouple it. Maybe your lead account is done for the day, but
I need to start stopping this shit, man, because it prevents me to do what I need to do to pass. I'm stopped for the day, and I'm losing another day. Especially on a day like this, you don't want to. Okay, so this was the
just so everybody understands, he's talking about the trade limit that's available on Project X. So it'll lock you out after you do whatever amount of trades you set it for. And when you scale in and scale out, it adds up pretty quickly.
this one too. Did they stop me on this one? Lock risk setting for the day. How do you unlock?
Well, if it's already locked out for the day, you can't unlock it.
You start the day and they are locked?
No, you choose to lock it. I have to see it. You have to show it on the screen, Mark. I can't see it.
Yeah, like for instance, this account. Let me show you. This account, it's locked here. No, not this one. Let me show you another one. Yeah, like this one. What's up with that? Can I change it to more than 20 trades or no?
Yeah, you can change it.
Oh no, it says you've reached your max trade too.
Oh no, okay. So this account is locked out for the day.
It didn't show that it was locked out. Look. It didn't show it was locked out.
Will it let you change it?
What? No, like it changed. It allows me here, but look. Oh, maybe here, 50. No. No, it says you've reached your max, but then it's not locked. I don't understand. Do you know what I mean? Like it.
Well, it's because it was a follower account, so it probably didn't look good there.
Okay, let me go one by one, guys, and try to remove those stupid. It's my fault. I put the numbers of trades so I don't overtrade my evals, but I think it's stupid because you want to pass those evals. You want to limit the numbers of trades on your funded, not your evals. And I guess that's what mistake I'm doing here. Yeah, I don't know why. Seems like it's locked. And those are my two best accounts. It's kind of shitty. Oh, well. So let me see this one. Let's have this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Is this one locked? Oh, I have 156 here. That'll be my copy. I'm going to copy this one. I don't like to copy, but I need to pass those accounts. No, okay. Hopefully we can trade with this now, since I've been stopped on 8. The report is coming, guys. They are going to go retrace, and 750 is next stop, right?
Order filled.
Boom. I got a quick 100 on Top Step. So I have $665 on the top step 9 there on those longs. I'm trying to figure the, no, I don't see the account. Order positions. Nope. Okay, but let's focus in anyway for our re-entry point here. Do you have a re-entry point? I just have that division on the power indicator 625.
The only place I would look to add to a long, or go get in a long, is at the opening range high. We do have our.
We have to be careful because we reach resistance block on SPY as well.
Right. We have a.
Be careful of the resistance block on SPY. We did exactly the pattern I gave you. Let's see if we can retrace to that trend line support now. I'm going to delete this shit there, right there. I want to see this now. I'm giving you the play-by-play, either to this division power indicator up or this block and up, because the SPY has reached. Look also the sell-off on Russell. Look at the sell-off on Russell. I'm waiting. I'm letting them digest a little bit. I'm not giving back those profits now. What are the cryptos doing this morning? Ethereum is critical, I told you guys. You don't want Ethereum below 3,500 for risk on, risk off assets. I don't care what Bitcoin does. Ethereum cannot be below 3,500. Where is this Ethereum? 3341. Well, that's not great. But Bitcoin is at 103. Guys, we are looking at a 600, 600, 600, 650 retest now. See if they can pull back down. I don't want to short this, but there might be a pullback down, quick pullback down here. Right, Travis? A quick one, like a
Order filled.
a quickie.
Yeah, we just did a cross of our major, which is sitting right on top of the. It's a major. It's a power indicator's major level, sitting right on top of the IB low from yesterday.
What are we looking? 550 target? What is this? 650, 620. 650, 620. Target.
Yeah, division of the calculator at 625, and again, the opening range high 576.
Boom.
Order filled.
I'm out. I was short on the top step account, 1,175. Keep on progressing within my assumptions. 1,173, 8 accounts. And by the way, I am $2,500 away from passing this account. $2,500 from passing those accounts. This one is 2,500. This one is 150. This one is 155. This one is 150. This one is 151. This one is 146. This one is, oh no, this one is ineligible, 154. So I have 3 or 4 that I need to progress that are possibly closer and closer to passing here. I want to remove those yellow crap. I just did that to help you guys. Those yellow lines are what I anticipate in my mind so that you can prepare your trades before the fact, which nobody does on YouTube. They place trades, They don't explain shit in advance. Not only do I tell you what I'm looking for, but I'm doing it. I want to line up some, I don't know. I like the 620 re-entry there, Travis. No? Like be patient a little bit more. One more smack, 620.
Yeah, I'd want to be lower.
What?
I'd want to be lower. I'd want to be closer to the opening range high. 575, 580.
I don't know if you'll get the opening range, but yeah.
Order filled.
It's trying to smack it again on the downside. You know, but look.
Order filled.
Because it's going to 750, this thing. You need to be careful. Look, they are not letting go. They want to push it to 750, guys. They want to push this thing to 750. It possibly 850. 750, 850 is possibly coming. You just need to be patient with longs today.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
It's looking very strong again on NASDAQ. NASDAQ needs to lead those longs.
Order filled.
I'm long still. NASDAQ needs to lead those longs, guys. 620 is a better entry, but this thing could continue going all the way to 850, guys. I've seen it so many times when NASDAQ starts squeezing like this. Those
order filled.
I don't know if we are in a bear market beginning now until the next 2 years of the cycles, but it takes a long, long time for markets to do tops. Long time.
Order filled.
Yeah, I have too many micros now. Takes time, guys. It takes time.
Order filled.
$620, guys, would be a better entry long, guys. 620, I'm telling you, would be better, but I don't know if you are going to get it. If SPY stays above that box of 679, the market will have a massive, huge squeeze, guys. Like really, really big squeeze. I want to see 620 smash down now. It would be healthier for this move. 620 area. Have you guys looked what the tech stocks are doing this morning? The Palantir that got pounded yesterday and the AMD that got pounded. Palantir down 7 points again. Michael Berry is shorting Palantir and NVIDIA right now like crazy. It's 80% of his portfolio. The guys from the short. Oh, wow, pump is going up and I have some pump. Good. Pump crypto, I have SUI crypto and ICP cryptos. So hopefully those are coming back a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's not great. It's not great, but it's not bad. It's better than this weekend for the cryptos. We're back at 670. Do they buy the 680 NASDAQ or they tank it 620? 620, 640 area could be a really interesting re-entry again. The volume indicator looks good. Travis, net buyers there. See, net buyer, higher low. Yeah. I mean, order flow is on the long side so far, guys. Power trend box wants to change direction here on the upside potentially today. So I would be very, very careful with your shorts, guys. I am not in a mood to shorts. I've made money on the long side this morning. Not yet on the short side, guys. But I want to see 620. I like a smack on the power indicator division here. 634, 600, 580 there. That would be the best. Something like this. Boom. And boom. That's what I want to see. Something like this. The only problem we have is SPY has reached towards the top of the range of 678, 680, and we need to be careful of that. Also, I'm looking at SPY, and SPY has a huge resistance going in my tools there between 633 and 650. Huge block resistance on the ES right there. This block on ES is not going to be easy. So ES and SPY have a huge block resistance here. So we could start the pullback now, and Nasdaq needs to lead the pullback back up all day. Nasdaq needs to lead that back up from 600, 620. I'll be right back. Travis, it's all yours. I need water refill. It's doing exactly what I told you so far. Exactly what I told you. It's coming back down to the divisions of the power indicator on the order block. It's going to do a big candle down, 620, 6580, and buyers coming back hopefully. Because this SPY has reached already huge resistance on our tools and it's pulling back from the order block, same as the ES, same as the Russell is rejecting the division on the right side. I want to see a big downside below the power indicator division of 633, but it's holding. Look, it's holding again, Travis.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
I'm going to accumulate slowly micros from there, slowly, because I think we have one big push down still, one big candle. I might be wrong, but I think we have one big candle on the downside, guys. Like something that's going to be like a big candle. What did you say? I'm sorry, I didn't hear what you said.
No, I just said the buyers are definitely really strong here. They're holding it. It's fighting this power indicators major, that IB high from yesterday or IB low from yesterday.
I think the best entry is that 600. Now, right now, I want to see the lower high, and I want them to smash it down, NASDAQ style, 620, 600, huge candle going down, and then the buyers on the tail of that candle. That's what I want to see right now. I don't even have my Trader 5 Project X and my Lucid Project X open right now. I just have a bunch of Trader.We accounts. I should probably open, but I'll kind of leave those accounts as a backup. Okay, now I have Project X open on Trader.We. And I should do the same on Lucid. I'm jungling too many accounts, guys, for one brand. Yeah, I don't know. Those are kind of my backup accounts, guys. My Lucid and my Trader.We Project X. I split them between Project X and Lucid. We give the play-by-play, guys. The play-by-play. If you appreciate what we do, your likes, comments are appreciated, guys. Be engaged on the feed. We give it for free. I don't need to do that. I'm trying to help you guys to show you the tools in actions, how wonderful they are, Play-by-play before they happen. Most YouTuber tells you they're long, they're short. You don't even know what's going on. I tell you before the fact. The way I look at the puzzle, the chess game. It's trying to regain here a little bit, isn't it? Yeah.
Well, it's still fighting this this power indicators major.
I want them to go one more time down, like a boom.
Order filled. Order filled.
I want to see a boom. I want to see a boom, boom, boom.
Order filled.
As far as the Trader.We accounts goes, it's a mixed bag. And I'm still holding my top step, so let's see. I want to see one more slash down towards 620, 600 and see if the buyers are coming. Travis, it could be like this, look at the volume indicator, net seller coming and going like this.
Yep, going to that support and then bouncing off of that. Makes sense.
Yeah, that's why I want to see one more slush on the downside. I want to see that big
Order
boom.
filled.
The boom that nobody expects. They're like, oh, 20, 30, 40 points. Oh, shit. That 640 seems to hold though on NASDAQ. They're trying to hold that 640.
Yeah, the division has moved up a little bit, almost 10 points up to 633, where the lows are now. Was at 625 a little bit ago.
The division just moved?
Yep, a little bit, moved up a little bit.
I still want a candle towards 615, 605. Here we go.
Yeah, there it goes.
Here we go. That's the candle I want. That's the candle I want. That's the candle that are more
Order
attractive
filled.
to start buying stuff. That's the candle. So we're going to start
Order
buying
filled.
with you again, guys, and we are going to put a 573 stop. And we're going to start accumulating a position. I still want another slash down. I want to see 575, 60, 615. That would be the sweet spot here. My main goal is to pass those top steps, guys. I told you, like this week, like I have plenty of funded accounts, but I don't have top step. So top step, I am $1,700 to pass one top step right now. Top step is going to be in the bag. I'm giving myself a week or 2 weeks, not rushing. Top step is coming to daddy. It's doing exactly what we said.
Order filled.
I'm buying another micros. And I want to accumulate 5 micros on the TradeOvet account. So I'm back long on some micros, guys.
Order filled.
And on top step, I think I'm going to jump on NQ if we break the 700, 680 area. Of course, I missed my pro account here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah. Do you see how it respected perfectly the game plan, people on the stream? Give me a quick yes, no. That's all I'm asking you. Did he not respect perfectly the white lines I draw for you guys? Look at this. To the freaking block. Right there. Look where that's the tail. That's the tail. It cannot be more perfect, guys. Look at this. That's the tail. Anyway,
Order filled.
Order filled.
we'll get the bragging right later on.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Let's make money.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Let's make some money.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
What was that?
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
I hope not. I'll be freaking pissed with this.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm about to make an extra $1,000 on Top Step here.
Order filled.
What's the major zone? We have a re-entry at 55. 55 if they pull back, but I don't think they will pull back. I think they are going to go now.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
I'm trying to do some take profit trader accounts.
Order filled.
We have to be careful. We have lower high in the market, guys. We have lower high. I am out of the Top Step, 2,352. So I kept on improving. Top Step, 2,352. I am $1,000, 100 to pass. Better go slow, right, Travis? Travis?
That's right. Just focus on good trades.
Travis is going to say now do micros. Yeah, and this one also is close, 2,100. So I have two close to pass here. So better not screw up. It'd be cool if we pass them online together, but I have also maximum profit for the day. I have to respect.
Order filled.
Here we go. The 700 seems to be a problem so far, Travis, isn't it?
Order filled.
Huh?
Yeah, it was. I mean, it's poised to break through it now.
Order filled.
I don't know. Seems to be a problem.
Order filled.
We need a new high. Here we go.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
I've been too conservative today. I've done a lot of micros on Trade-O-Eight. That was kind of stupid. Our trade is looking real good, guys.
Order filled.
I really want to pass Top Step, but I have to be careful the way I push it.
Order filled.
I am $900 of passing Top Step. Have to be careful.
Order filled.
I should reduce size now.
Order
I
filled.
should be on.
Go slow on that.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm $900. $1,000 to pass Top Step.
Order filled.
Yeah. I'm going to wait. Okay, here we go. I'm going to wait. Maybe it comes back at 80 again now. What do you think? SPY is still in the resistance order block, but it could go 678.50. Let's see if we can go 675.
Order filled.
I'm buying one here on top step, and I think I
Order filled.
have to go very slow on top step now. Very freaking slow. Super slow on top step.
Order filled.
I have to be patient. On trade-of-8, I have our runners, but on top step, I need to.
Order
See,
filled.
as soon as they pull it down at 75, there's a buyer, Travis. Do you see?
Yeah, it's still holding strong there.
Order filled.
And that's a retest of the power indicator's major level there.
What was that? The blue? It's trying to go towards the IB high here. I have to be very careful. I am less than $1,000 to pass this account. I'm not going to think about that. I'm just going to do the trade, right? And let it hit max profit because that'll give me a buffer in case they wanted more money or whatever. So my next target on NASDAQ, guys, after the 700 is the 853. Are we going to like really go towards the 850? The top of the calculator is 780. So we have a 780, 850. That would be insane. The market seems to struggle here.
I was just gonna say, still seeing some heavy rejection at the 700. So 700 huge rejection, 75 huge support.
The longs better start coming here. That's all I know.
Order filled.
Order filled.
The longs better start coming.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Stop filled.
Trying to get
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
one of my
Order submitted.
pro account to make some money today. It would be nice.
Order
Order
canceled.
filled. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm about to pass this top step, Travis.
Order filled.
It'd be nice if it if it goes down one more time and I can accumulate. We have a problem at that 700, guys. It's 3 times on the IB that we have a problem. Yeah.
Yeah, could not get above the IB high there. Couldn't make a new high just yet.
Order filled.
Let's see if it goes back and hold the 80 now.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can hold 80. 680. I don't want to get crazy, man.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
It's funny, I'm not trading anything else focusing than those top step accounts. Do you guys see how close I am, Travis? You see?
Yeah.
I'm $900 to pass those top step, guys. And there's others that are very close too, so I want them to be passed and move on with them. That's the idea.
Order filled.
This 720 is sticky, man, isn't it? Start to not like
Order
it.
filled.
Order filled.
Start to not like it. The way it's behaving.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
I'm going to go on the dome on 1 here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Trying to trade
Order
1 or
canceled.
2 pro of my accounts that I have on Take Profit to make some profits, but
Order filled.
Stop filled.
yeah.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
All my trades are on the long side, but I think this thing wants to go back to 670, Travis.
Order filled.
Be careful. Be careful now. It's 4 or 5 times we are having a hard time there. We need to hold this 690, guys. 690.
Order filled.
You want to see that 690 holding. It's not happy there at 700, isn't it?
Order filled.
Doesn't like that 700 for some reason, guys.
Still could not make a new high.
I'm going to probably reduce with you as well. I'm going to reduce one of the profits here. I'm taking 1 here.
Order filled.
We have 2 left, and that's fine. I took 1. I don't like the tip there. The tip is becoming tired there at the 700 for some reason. Isn't it, Travis? Does not look happy there yet.
Yep, it's struggling to make a new high so far. I mean, it's not selling hard either, so looking good at this point.
It could retest the 75 quickly again.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
I'm waiting. I'm not in
Order
a
filled.
I have such a small amount to make to pass those top steps that I don't want to fuck up. I might even be done for the day. That would be the ultimate discipline there, to be $800 away and go for the day. Isn't it? That would be the ultimate break. I'll go for a run. I told you that was my goal this week. I want to pass some top steps, 150K. They are the only one missing in my arsenal. Not really worried about making money, losing money. I just want to make those 50Ks. This TradingWE competition, I am not doing shit with it, man. It's not really my focus. My focus
Order filled.
is
Order filled.
really
Order filled.
is really
Order filled.
is
Order
really
filled.
top step. We need to break the IB. I think we are about to do it. This is why I kept two runners there. We're about to do it. I mean, you have to realize that my cost basis on one of those micros that we took together is over 100 points, guys. Do you realize that? 100 or 50 points? Maybe my math is not right. Over 50 points, maybe.
There it goes, breaking IB high.
I need 10 more points. Come on. You have such a hard time, man. Such a hard time.
Order filled.
So this could be a failed upside option. If we hold below the IB high.
So what do you mean by that each time, like the auction thing? Like I never get it.
Yeah, well, it attempted to break above the IB high. If this 30-minute bar closes this, by 11 a.m., if that bar closes below the IB high, which is 718.50, then that is confirmation of a failed upside auction. It tried to keep going up and it failed. So that would be confirmation of a failed upside auction and a higher probability of lower prices.
Why the 11 a.m. then?
It's all based on the market profile, which runs in 30-minute increments. So the IB is established at 10:30, and then at any point, if it tries to break above that, it's doing that in this 30-minute bar. So that means the close of this bar is going to confirm that price action or not that just occurred during this 30-minute candle.
So you still have 17 minutes then, according to.
Yeah, you have 17 minutes to confirm that, correct? Yeah, so it could go up to 800, 850, in the next 15 minutes.
Why do they call it an failed auction? I don't use volume profile, so I don't know shit about it.
The market is an auction process. It's an upside auction, downside auction, constantly an auction process. If you get an up move, that's an upside auction. If you get a down move, that's a downside auction. So we're in the uptrend, we're in an upside auction, and we're looking for a failure of that auction, which we can confirm with the IB high, IB low.
Yeah, all I know about the volume profile is the point of control where there's the most volume. Yeah, that 700 has been sticky, isn't it?
See, this makes it, you could preempt this failed auction, and it would be a really cheap trade, meaning, you
Order filled.
short it now, and then you just put your
Order filled.
you'd put your stop at the high, and if it makes a new high, then you're out of the trade. It's a fairly inexpensive short, but if it doesn't get stopped out, then you have potential to go, I mean, all the way back, down to the opening range high, back to the 930 open, even back down to the IB low, which makes your risk reward, very, very favorable.
Well, yeah, because your stop loss here is 20, isn't it?
Yeah, 20 points, exactly.
Yeah, but the market is strong though. I still have net buyers. I still have the VIX going down. Do you see what I mean? You still have strength there. The strength.
Yeah, there's still strength. Like we were talking. I mean, it still hasn't broken below the
Order filled.
IB low, except for that sweep that it did. Yesterday's IB low that we're talking about right there on our major power indicators, major level. That's
so 15 minutes to retake that 716. Is that what it is?
Yes. Yeah. Wherever this 30-minute bar closes, above or below the IB, will give the indication of acceptance or rejection of higher pricing above that IB high.
Okay. Yeah, you'll have to explain to everybody some of this volume profile. I really don't, besides point of control and the nodes, the low node volume, I don't know anything.
Yep. Yeah, I'll do a class on that sometime.
Here we go. We're back at your IB now.
Order filled. Order filled.
They're about to break it, isn't it?
They're heading towards it. I mean, it's holding below the IB high right now. It's fighting IB right now.
Well, I would be them. I would push it all the way to the top of the power indicator at 780, 850. Squeeze, trap, reject, if that's what they want to do. Does that make sense? We're approaching the 679 is a huge problem on SPY, guys, on our tools. 679 SPY is a huge problem.
Order filled.
Pooh, I'm trying to pass this account, man.
Don't focus on, just focus on the trades.
Order filled.
Well, it's about the IB now, isn't it? Come on.
It is, yep. It's got to stay above it for the next 13 minutes, though, for it to confirm acceptance.
Here we go.
Order filled.
You're 16 points above. You start accepting here.
Well, it's got to close. I mean, it's accepting right now, but you don't have confirmation of acceptance.
You might go back to 710 one more time. You might try a 710 one more time. I don't know. Volume indicator starts doing net seller here, guys. Look, it starts rejecting a little bit here. Travis, you see that?
Order filled.
Yep, I see that.
Say that again, I'm sorry.
I was just saying, yeah, I see it. So now back below the IB. See how it plays around the IB.
Yeah, 710, see? I told you. Hey, my gym is coming. You know what? Since I'm $1,000 away from this thing, I think I'm going to be done for the day, guys. Because my experience and learn from me, believe me, I've been there many times, and Travis too. When you push and push that last $900 on an account to pass, this is where you're going to screw up everything, right? So you need at least a 2-hour break, and that's what I'm going to go. I'm going to go at the gym and just think I am not in a rush. Doesn't need to be done today, so long it's being done and so long I lock the account. Okay, guys, we've done some great trade again. You know, look at this. Still on the ball right now. There's 2 contracts going on for over what? 80 points, 50 points. You know, so I'm going to take one more here because apparently his thing is getting rejected.
Order filled.
Now we have one left with 40 points still. The runner. We're going to tie the stop loss, so we're never losing this one again. We're going to tie it up here at 66. And we are going to cancel the order here. And then guess what? We are going to go to the gym and just let the runner do its thing. Maybe I'll move it a little bit above so I make more money. And that's it. I have my runner, stays above IB, stays above IB. And that's it. I'm done. Guys, I hope you enjoy it. We had 2 days back-to-back that were really good. We called the analysis using the power indicator. Just awesome. You know, just like perfect. But now it's time for break because you got to limit the amount of hours that you trade, the numbers of trades, and the size that you do. If you are able to control that, you protect mental capital, you do better trades, and you come back and you survive another day to get great ranges like this. But you must protect yourself, guys. You know, I'm done. I'm completely full in my mind. I am $900 to pass those. I am not screwing around. I'm going for a break, and I will pass them within the next few days. Okay? I will see everybody publicly next week, Tuesday, and we are done for this week, guys, and we will be back next Tuesday. We'll do giveaways. We'll come back more and more often, guys, but I'm regrouping from a couple of days out from the wedding of my son. We will be back next week. Everybody else, I'll see you in the live trading mentorship group Thursday, Friday. And if you want to support the community and this was helpful and you use the only prop firm right now that I am supporting, I will show you some other prop firms next week that I like, right? But for now, it's Take Profit Trader because it's the one that pays daily when I am above the buffer, and there is no consistency rule above the buffer, you know, up to $10,000. If you do $10,000, they stop you for the day. 10,000, they stop you at 20,000. They send you to the Pro Plus, the live account. I hope it was helpful. I love you all, guys. I enjoyed this analysis showing you the entire path and the math of what I was looking for. But my brain is fried. And when you know that and you recognize you're out, if you are hungry, angry, lonely, tired, and now I'm tired, I reached the tired point, you got to stop. And that's what good traders do. They limit time, size, market, and also the instruments that they do. They become very specialized in what we do. This is our departing song. Love you all, guys. See you next week.
Never ever give up. I almost let go 1,000 times. Traded my sleep for a shot at consistency. Blood and tears fell through long, lonely weeks. My dream kept me going when I felt too weak. Whoa, never up through blood, tears, and success. I am the unknown best YouTube trader, here to share. Help me trade past to pay out, together and invest in that.